Welcome to the video, guys. If you're new here, consider subscribing for more car detailing content. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys the 1 year overview of the Bissel Littlegreen Proheat machine, which is awesome for detailing cars and just using around the house. I've owned this machine for a year now, and in that year, it's been the most useful thing that I've ever purchased. It's been used many times, probably over 50 times, and it's held up great in that time. I'll show you guys around the machine. So I use this thing to clean carpet floor mats and other parts of my car's interior. I would highly recommend this machine to anyone that's just starting to get into car detailing. As you can see here, the machine has a place for the power cord and for the hose, so everything is all neat and together. This machine only draws 2.3 amps of current, so there's no risk of blowing any type of fuse in your house. I will put some links in the description for everything I use today to make it easier for you guys to find everything. One of the most important things to do, and one of the best tips I can give you, is to thoroughly vacuum any area that you plan on using this machine on, and that way you'll help ensure that you're not going to clog up the machine's wand or other parts with debris, lint, and other stuff. So that's one thing you must do. And I use this machine to clean car seats, carpet, and floor mats. I basically only use hot water in the tank, and this machine's purpose is to basically rinse and extract the degreasers that I'm using to clean the upholstery. So what you saw me do here was pre-soak the area with some degreaser. Then I'm going to use the drill brush to agitate the area, and then finally the machine is going to be there to rinse and extract all of the degreaser and then any of the dirt that we're going to pull out of the seat. In the year that I've owned this machine now, I've used it in about 10 different cars to fully shampoo the interiors of those cars. So that includes the seats, the carpet floor mats, and the carpet themselves. This machine is perfect if you're an enthusiast detailer or a weekend warrior, or just a general homeowner looking to clean their car once in a while. It's not a commercial duty machine by any means, so as a professional detailer, I definitely would not be using this. As you can see there, I've got the machine sitting on the floor of the car, and that's one of my biggest pet peeves of this particular unit, is that it only comes with a 3-foot hose, so that's not really long enough to get around the car without keeping the unit pretty close to you. Moving into the house now, there's this pretty nasty yellow stain on the stairs. That's one of the problems with light color carpet. They show pretty much everything, so not sure what the stain is, but it's pretty old and it's pretty crusty, so we're going to see if we can get rid of it. Not sure, but it may have been caused by this little guy. One other thing I love about this machine is how long the power cord is and how small its footprint is, so I can reach down the stairs and keep the machine on the step without it falling. When I'm using this in the house, I use the Bissel solution in the tank and not just hot water, but I don't go ahead and pre-treat it with anything. I just use the solution and spray it with the wand. As you can see, the stain is completely gone. You can use this machine to clean your stairs every few months to keep them looking fresh. At our household, the bottom 2 steps are always the dirtiest, so here you see me cleaning the second step, and I'm going to do a bit of a 50-50 to show you guys that even though they don't look dirty, once you actually use the machine to clean the stair, it does show that it was pretty dirty. Here's another mystery stain that we're going to use to put the Bissel to the test here. I think as a homeowner, you're going to come across these kind of mystery stains that you don't know how they got there and you don't know when they got there. And this machine is going to shine in removing those completely or almost completely to the point where you wouldn't notice that they're there unless it was pointed out to you. As you'll see here, I couldn't tell you what this stain was, but at the end, it's going to be almost completely gone. If you are a pet owner, you'll like this machine a lot, just to clean up any mess that your pet makes inside the house, or just to do maintenance cleanups on the areas that they frequent the most, because you never know what they're going to be bringing from the outside into the house.
So this machine will automatically stop the suction portion once the dirty water tank reaches about right there or so. So it doesn't fill all the way to capacity, which is kind of annoying, but it is what it is. So to empty it out, it's pretty simple. Kind of grab it, pull it out, and it is dripping. So that sucks. It's disgusting.
The wastewater tank isn't too large on this machine, so you'll find yourself having to clean it out frequently. But one of the good things is that you can unscrew the bottom to help you clean it a lot better. Otherwise, it's pretty tough to clean just out of the small hole at the top. The wand is very easy to disassemble, as I'll demonstrate here, and after disassembling it, it's extremely easy to clean. As you just saw, they make this thing extremely easy to take apart and clean. After using this product for a year, I can say that it's well worth the money and I highly recommend it. If you like this review video, please give me a like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.